Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to regain access to your Facebook account password. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on Google. Now select your account and press on Manage your Google account. Now go to Security. Now scroll down. Now go to Password Manager. Here you can see the option of facebook.com. Press on this. Now enter your password. So from here you can regain access to your Facebook account password. So this is how to regain access to your Facebook account password. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.